Is the Poco M5 the best value budget smartphone in the under 11K category, especially in the build quality department? We are going to video proof that in this video on the 6 plus 128GB version of the Poco M5. Again, it's great to see a high quality free case inside the box. It should give adequate protection if you are not going to use a third party case. The Poco M5 itself is pretty decent. The color might not be the greatest, but the design is unique due to the leather texture finish without the mess of fingerprints and a good grip. At this moment, the build quality seems to be extremely sturdy during the trial bend like you expect from Poco. We'll be proving the actual build quality during the bend test. Also, it's awesome to see at least a 22.5 watts fast charger at this budget during times where even basic stuff is absent inside the box of costlier devices. On the display is the wide selfie camera with a 4.92 megapixels CMOS backside illumination sensor with f2.0 aperture. On the main camera unit is the primary 50.12 megapixels camera, a CMOS sensor at f1.8 with a 26-degree field of view, a 2 megapixel second camera at f2.4 for depth sensing, and again a 2 megapixels f2.4 third camera for extreme close-up shots. All devices under the Mi brand, like Redmi, has been fortunate to use high quality tempered glass protection to protect displays from scratches and have been doing great in a scratch test over the years. The Poco brand too is yet to fail in scratch resistance and also all other tests. On the negative flip side, we have had plenty of devices from BBK with poor quality glass protection for cutting cost of production and extremely low scratch resistance. Not really a big surprise that the Corning Glass 3 on the Poco M5 passes a crash test. Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bend test for the structural build quality of devices. Somehow, for the Poco M5, we can expect Superman to show up. The first bend from the backside has almost 0 degree of flex, feels like an absolute brick. The same amount of negligible bend angle when pressure is applied from the display side as well. The Poco M5 has already proved itself in other areas of build quality, including great water resistance with an official IP rating, and on passing the bend test also, the M5 keeps up the clean record of Poco and makes it truly a best value smartphone at this price range.